The amazing trade we had it, that was a beautiful and amazing trade on gold. We really enjoyed it. This morning we had amazing short trade here, guys. This is the 1 hour chart. If you look ahead, this price action here, and this candlestick pattern, we have a bearish engulfing candle that give us the high probability, and we really squeeze amazing profit. And at the New York session, we had this once we see the weaknesses on the dollar, and top of that, if you look ahead, this candlestick pattern, which is inside bullish inside candle pattern, that give us the high probability trade. As mentioned to my trader, if the price is going to you know develop a false breakout, then I'm expecting continuation to the upside. If you look ahead, the price failed to sustain below this level. Price came back and give us the confirmation and long, and in intraday we've been squeezing amazing profit, guys. So that was a beautiful uh, long trade at the New York session. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. Hello trader. Today is the 30th of September 2025. Today is the last trading day of the month. Let me show you guys how we analyze the market today and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. All right, before the analysis, let's look at the news. News in the morning, we had for China, we had a manufacturer PMI slightly better as compared to the forecast, was 49.6. Actual data came out 49.8. Then we have a non-manufacturer PMI slightly lower, expected 50.03, which is exactly the previous one, but the actual data is 50.0. We mainly were looking about the Aussie dollar as Aussie news. As you can see here, we had a cash rate, we have a RBS rate statement, and RBA press conference. This news made a little push to the Aussie dollar. We have seen it slightly stronger on Aussie dollar this morning. I'm going to show you the trade. Then later on, we had it German prelim CPI month by month. Data came out exactly as forecasted. The previous was 0.1%, the forecast was 0.2%, and the actual data is came out 0.2% too. We have seen slightly bullishness on euro this today. We had a bank holiday on Canada, but we also had a ECB president speech, and later on in the afternoon New York session, we have a job opening. Was expected 7.19 million basically, and the actual data came out 7.23 million, slightly better. But later on we had at the same time we had a CP consumer confidence. There's a medium impact news that came out slightly lower. As you can see here, actual was 97.8, but the data came out 96.0. Sorry, this was the forecast. The actual data was 94.2, which is negative. That's creates slightly negative for the sign for the dollar. And later on at the New York session, we have seen strength on gold, and we also had a president's speech. So let me share with you guys, based on the Aussie dollar, Euro USD, and gold, how we many maximize the opportunity based on the fundamental and based on the technical. So if you look at the Aussie dollar, we have this is the breakout we had at the Asian session, and after this breakout, news came out. So we have this spike. So we were looking a pullback, beautiful, and this was the target which price nicely hit and squeezed amazing profit. So if you look at here, we have this is the analysis we had. This is the Asian session analysis, guys. We have price nicely broken and retest, give us a confirmation, and later on, this is the analysis we did. As you can see here, London morning before the news, look for pullback. As you can see here, the price nicely came back and developed a beautiful pullback, and basically news impact and beautiful long trade and squeeze amazing profit on euro on Aussie dollar. And if you look at the let's look at the pound dollar now. So pound dollar, we had some sort of like a consolidation, but if you have seen my previous analysis in yesterday analysis, as mentioned, that I'm expecting a pullback around this level, which price did. And we also had the short trade when the price came back. Then we also had this long trade here. Overall, we have seen some sort of like a consolidation. So I'm expecting, let's see tomorrow if the price is going to break this consolidation or not. But today we had a very small trade. This is the breakout short trade we had it. This is the when the price hitting to the support level. When the price rejected, we also had a very small long trade on pound dollar. But if you look at the euro, we have seen sort of like a bullishness, as mentioned in my yesterday analysis, that price Nestle refused to stay below this level. That give us a high probability of another one more push to the upside, and price nicely did and squeeze amazing profit. As you can see here, we had this beautiful trade this morning, London morning, just before the London Open, like 7 a.m. We did this analysis. We had nice beautiful breakout, price nicely hit to the previous high and squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards we have another beautiful breakout long trade, as you can see here on EURUSD. The amazing trade we had it, that was the beautiful and amazing trade on gold. We really enjoyed it. This morning we had amazing short trade here, guys. This is the 1 hour chart. If you look ahead, this price action here, and this candlestick pattern, we have a bearish engulfing candle that give us the high probability, and we really squeeze amazing profit. And at the New York session, we had this once we see the weaknesses on the dollar, and top of that, if you look ahead, this candlestick pattern, which is inside bullish inside candle pattern, that give us the high probability trade. As mentioned to my trader, if the price is going to you know develop a false breakout, then I'm expecting continuation to the upside. If you look ahead, the price failed to sustain below this level. Price came back and give us the confirmation and long, and in intraday we've been squeezing amazing profit, guys. So that was a beautiful uh, long trade at the New York session. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. And if you look ahead, we had this beautiful, pretty straightforward at the support level, at this level. We did this analysis, price nicely broken and developed all these pullbacks. And even after that, we have another beautiful long trade and squeeze amazing profit. And after that, basically, you can see here all over analysis being activated and created nice bullishness. Once the price hit to the red fib channel, that's what we suggest our traders time to bank some profit. So we really enjoyed it, and then afterwards we have another beautiful breakout, which is a pretty straightforward. As mentioned, we price action. This is the low broken, this is the high broken. As long as the prices stay here, don't initiate anything, let the price break. As you can see here, price nicely broken. After that, the prices keep developing a pullback, and we just telling our trader just keep taking a pullbacks. Even we have this trade here, slightly very small long trade, but we had amazing trade, guys, on gold. All right, guys, that's it for now, and I hope you enjoy all this analysis review. But if you want to see all that analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.